Hey, what's up? Sam here. Today we are going to be reviewing the RedMagic 7 gaming phone. Please note that this is the Chinese version. The international edition will be released on February 22nd, but due to the NDA, I cannot say more about it. So if you want to learn more about the global version of the the RedMagic 7, please subscribe to my channel and turn on the bell so you won't miss any new videos. Open the box, we'll find an insert that includes some stickers. Who is this girl, by the way? I wish my wife could be this pretty. Moving on, there is some paperwork that no one cares about. Then the case. Then we have the phone, a red Type-C cable, and the 165 watts fast charging adapter. Wow! Moving to the phone, we have this cyber neon color. They also have dark night and transparent edition. For me, the transparent one is without doubt my favorite. You can see things right through it. That's really cool. Regarding the design, we have a 3.5mm headphone jack on the top. That's very important for a gaming phone, isn't it? Right at the back, we have the camera module, a window inlet, a flashlight, and logo at the bottom. Moving to the right side, we have two virtual shoulder keys. Unlike the physical keys on the Redmi K50 Gaming, these two cannot be pressed. Then the A outlet, a power key, a mic beside it. That's great, so when you are yelling at your mate during gaming, they will hear loud and clear. Moving to the bottom, we have a speaker, Type-C charging port, a mic, and a SIM card slot. While the left side, we have the gaming key, an A outlet, and the volume rocker. The RedMagic 7 and 7 Pro launched with the RedMagic 5.0 out of the box. It's based on Android 12 with some tweaks to reduce response times and improve performance. As you can see, the app logos are highly customized to match the theme of the RedMagic, which looks inherent. Thumbs up for that! Regarding the specs, the handset sports a 6.8-inch OLED display with Full HD Plus resolution, 10-bit cut depth, and 4 DCI-P3 coverage that offers an impressive 165Hz refresh rate. Under the hood, the RedMagic 7 packs the Qualcomm Snapdragon Gen 1 SoC paired with either 8GB or 12GB of RAM and up to 512GB of internal storage. If you are wondering about Untitled benchmark, here it is. That's super powerful. Not only that, the cooling system of the RedMagic 7 is at another level. It features the new ICE 8.0 cooling system that includes an RGB fan that spins at 20,000 RPM. It may spin very fast, but doesn't make much noise. Totally acceptable, it drops the CPU core temperature by 16 Celsius degrees together with a 9-layer cooling structure which includes a vapor chamber and graphite sheet eraser, which ensures a stable performance over long gaming sessions. That's true, we tried so many games like Genshin Impact, PUBG, Sky Children of the Light, Racing Car Situation, and some games we don't even know the name. The temperature is well controlled. And with the shoulder keys, to be honest, I'm kind of addicted to playing games. Finally, about the charging. The official claims it does 120 watts charging that fills its 4500 mAh battery in 17 minutes. We charge the phone from 0 to 40% in just 5 minutes. Crazy fast. We also try to charge the phone while we were playing the game. Well, we charge it from 48% to 72% in just 5 minutes. That's impressive. And most importantly, it does not get unbearably hot. Alright, that's our first impression of the RedMagic 7 gaming phone, China version. My conclusion is, if you're a hardcore mobile gamer and want an uncompromised gaming phone, this is your choice. It's more expensive than Redmi K50, but comes with better gaming performance for sure. If you want to know the difference between the China and the global version of the RedMagic 7, please stay tuned for my next video. Thanks for watching, I'm Sammy, I will see you in the next one.
Okay?